In this Flix review, I'm going to be showing you a software that's going to allow you to leverage other people's content in order to profit. And make sure you stay until the end of this review, as I'm also going to be showing you all the different OTOs and upgrades, how you can get a discount on every single one of them, and a discount on the offer you see on the sales page. If you're new to my channel, my name is Mike Thomas. I'm a 7-figure affiliate marketer. I do these reviews every single day so that you can get the best deals on upcoming software courses. If at any point during this review you want to check out Flix, just go ahead and click that link below. Also, please like this video as it really helps out my YouTube channel and I appreciate it. And make sure you hit that subscribe button and bell notification. Last thing before we jump in here, I just want to show you my bonus page. I've got a ton of extra bonuses for you that you're going to get if you purchase this through my link. All these bonuses will be waiting for you inside of Warrior Plus after you purchase through my link. Let's take a look at the sales page here together. It says, revealed this simple 4-click process makes us $53.27 per hour by exploiting a secret platform. They say no selling, but they still get paid thousands. Simple 4-click process. Don't do any of the work, yada, yada, yada. So essentially what this is going to allow you to do is use other people's videos in a way where you can actually monetize them. I'm going to show you a demo of how that all works here in a second. Here's income proof that they say they have here for making thousands from this. Of course, I'm not able to verify this. This is just based upon what they say they've made. Say here, step 1, purchase. Step 2, enter any link, website, or funnel for unlimited free traffic and then activate it. Again, I'm going to show you how this works in a second. They've got some proof here. Again, they say these are verified buyers. So, I mean, I can't verify any of these, but they said that they've gotten some proof from it. Here's more money here. And I was going to show you this in a second. I'll show you that in a second here. And just want to go down to the bottom and show you what you're going to get if you purchase. So after all this sales page mumbo jumbo, if you purchase, you're going to get access to the software, the training, the 7 ways to make money with this, mastermind community, and the support here. Now, what I wanted to show you is just what popped up while I was doing this. If you move your mouse away, a discount code is going to pop up. Make sure you use that. I make less as an affiliate by showing this to you, but you get a better deal on it. So give me a like if you like the fact that I show you these discounts on these products. So what I'm going to do really quick, show you a demo video, and I'll be back to show you the OTOs and the discounts.
Hello guys, Sean here, and today I'm about to show you an amazing winning system. Now, this secret platform is called Flix. Flix is a 4-click process platform that allows anyone to re-upload viral videos, basically other people's video from YouTube or Dailymotion, and you get paid for every video you upload on this secret platform. So in only 4 clicks, you'll be able to start making money from this secret platform called Flix. All you have to do is to find, select, re-upload, and profit. The more videos that we upload, the more money we'll earn. So let me show you how this works in practical terms. Okay, so here is Flix platform, as you can see. So once you get to the site, the first thing you need to do is to create an account. So after you create your account, you need to log in to your dashboard. So I'm going to click on the login button, and then you can enter your details to log in. Click on the login button. Now once you log in, you have access to your menu by the right hand side here. Can you see? So Flix allow you to create your own channel where you can re-upload videos. You don't even have to create this video from scratch. You re-upload videos and you get paid from those videos. So the more videos you upload, the more money you make. So this is Flix platform. As you can see, some of the videos there, this one currently has 7,704 views and 196 likes. You can see others 3,953 views, 815 views. So people make money from uploading video on Flix platform. So, and there are 3 different ways in which you can upload video. You can click on the normal manual upload button, which means if you have the video on your system, you can just drag and drop the video here and upload. But we are going to make use of this Flix viral video finder. So you click on the import button. Once you click on the import button, you have access to import videos from 2 big platforms, which is YouTube and Dailymotion. So you click on import from YouTube, for example, then it brings you to this page. So you need to input a keyword for the particular videos you want to import to Flix. So here I can type in make money, and then you need to select if you want to search publicly or you want to import from a specific channel. If you want to import from a specific channel, so you select this so you can enter the channel ID. The next thing, you select the number of videos you want to have per page. So maybe you want to have 5 videos, 10 videos, 25 videos, 50 videos. So I'm going to select 5. Then the next thing, you select the category where you want to get these videos from. So I'm going to select how to and style. And then there are 2 options in which you can use to import the video. You can use manual import and you can use auto import. With manual import, you'll be able to edit the video description so that you can add your own links as well to those videos and edit it to your taste. So I'll just select manual import to show you how this works. In case of auto import, it imports everything directly to your channel on complete autopilot. So I'm going to select this and then click on search. So once I click on search, it's going to show me tons and tons of videos, as you can see. So it's going to show the title, the description, and then you have the import button. As you can see, you can import as many videos as possible. You can go to the next page if you have a lot of videos there. So in this case, as you can see, you can edit the description, you can edit the title if you want, and if you don't want to make any edit, but it's best to edit, so you can remove any of the link there and replace it with your own links. So once you're done with that, the next thing is just to scroll down and click on import the selected videos, and in one click you can see the videos are imported automatically, and it takes you to the next page where you can import other videos. So you can import as many videos as possible. Remember, we set the page to 5, that's why it's showing 5 videos per page. So you can import as many videos as possible. So that's taking us through the step 1, which is finding alt videos proven to go viral that you can legally re-upload to Flix, and that's what we've done already. So the next thing we need to do now, you can visit your channel to see the videos on your channel. So as you can see, this is my channel. So if you scroll down, you're going to see all the videos I just uploaded now. So now the next thing we need to do is to monetize our videos. So you can go to this place and click on monetize channel. So once you click on monetize channel, there are different type of ads that you can use to monetize your videos. So you can click on create ads. Once you click on create ad, there are different type of adverts that you can create live inside your video. You can give it a name here, so you can say ads 1. Now there are different type of adverts that you can add inside your video. We have the image ads, we have the image ad. If you select the image ad, it shows you an option to upload the image, then the link you want the image to redirect to, so you put it there. Then the start of the video, maybe where you want the adverts to appear. Is it at the start of the video or at the end of the video or after a particular seconds? So you input that here, and that's all. You can also set the position. Maybe you want it to be at the bottom right, bottom left, top right, or top left. So aside that, we also have other options, so which is opt-in form. So you can as well input opt-in form live inside your video, so you can get targeted leads from your viewers. So aside that, you can as well insert buy buttons. As you can see, you can insert buy buttons with call to, can you see buy buttons? You have the call to action text here, and then you can select the button styles. There are tons and tons of button styles here. As you can see, there are a lot of them. So you can see there are a lot of them. So you can select any one you want to use and you're good to go. Aside buy buttons as well, we have Cta buttons, which is call to actions buttons. You can decide to create your own Cta text, then change the color. You can select color, you can select button text color as well, and from there, once you're done, you just click on the save button. Now the major way of making money with Flix, which is Google AdSense and Google Video Ads. Now Google AdSense and Google Video Ads or any pay-per-click program allow you to make money by showing adverts, video ads live inside the video. So you get paid per view. Anytime someone view the video, you get paid as well. So in case of video ads, it's just going to select Google Video Ads. So I'll select Google Video Ads, which allows you to actually run video adverts live inside your videos on Flix. So anytime people watch videos on Flix, you get paid per view. You can also do the Google AdSense banners whereby you can insert ads inside the videos and you get paid from that as well. So I'm just going to select that, select the position bottom right, then leave this blank, then come to here and select start of video. I want the video ad to start the video. That way you make more money because people get to watch the video ad first before actually watching the main video. So I'll come here and then paste my Google AdSense code here. So once I paste it here, just scroll down and click on the save button. So I click on the save button, so we have that already. So you can see, go back to your channel to actually check out how this ads works. So I'm just going to click on any of the videos there. So click on the play button. Now can you see this is a video ads? Can you see? So if people watch that for a few seconds, you get paid for that. And aside that, while you're watching the main video, there's also a banner ads here, or a text ads rather. So when people click on this as well, you get paid. So you make multiple streams of income live inside videos. And the videos are created in feeds manner whereby once they finish watching this video, it loads up the next video automatically. That way you'll be able to maximize your visitors and get paid easily. So the more videos you have on your channels, the more money you make. And as you can see here, you can generate tons of traffic to your videos. As you can see, you can get traffic from Facebook, Twitter, Google Plus, LinkedIn, Pinterest, Tumblr, and Dig. So these are top 7 social media sites in the world. And you can generate thousands and thousands of traffic to your videos. And you can as well just copy your link and post it anywhere you want to drive traffic from. So that's how Flix works in simple steps. Thank you for watching. Bye.
Okay, so this is the first upgrade. This is an unlimited version of this. It says you get unlock unlimited Flix campaigns, activate, you can say 50 to 100 times more profit, they say, more traffic with this. But what I want to show you is if you move your mouse away, you can bring that price down from $47 to $37. So make sure you do that. Well, the next one, it's a done for you. You can add 30 done for you campaigns in with this. Move your mouse away on this. You can bring the price down from $297 to $197 for that. So that's a pretty big discount. With this one, it says run Flix on complete autopilot. Move your mouse away. You can bring the price down from $47 to $27. Next one here is you can bring the price down to $50 to $47. It says want to get 1,000 to 2,000 daily clicks. And then the last one that I was able to see is this one here. You can bring the price down $10 to 37. It's going to give you profit boosting tweaks. Now there might be some more OTOs, but on any of them, make sure you move that mouse away so you can get the lowest price on them. All these OTOs are optional. Pick and choose which ones you want and forget about the ones that you don't. So what do I like about Flix and what don't I like about it? If I had to say something that I don't like about it, if you're using other people's videos, you want to make sure that you have permission to do it. It's up to you on what you want to do with your own business. No one's going to tell you what to do. What do I like about this? I always like systems where you're able to monetize. If you're doing it in an ethical way, in a way that you're comfortable with, then I see no problem with that. Thank you so much for checking out my review today. If you want to take a look at Flix, go ahead and click the link below. Also, please like this video. It really helps out with my YouTube channel and I appreciate it. And make sure you hit that subscribe button and bell notification. As always, thank you so much for watching and I'll see you again in my next review video. Thanks.